3 unpopular money tips I want to share as an immigrant in Canada. First one, use credit cards. Credit cards here in Canada, marami siyang benefits and perks. So, since gumagastos tayo lagi, bills na babayaran lagi, might as well get something out of the gastos, di ba? Marami magsasabi, mas gusto ko namin ng cash or debit, which is okay. But here kasi sa Canada, credit card is one of the ways on how you can build your credit and to show like whoever would be your lender sa mga big purchases nyo that you can manage credit. And also, pag credit card ang gamit usually online, mas madaling i-dispute ang mga transaction. Unlike pag debit card, you don't wanna expose those information online kasi nakakabit siya mismo sa bank account mo. So, use credit card instead of debit or cash. Tip number 2, and probably a lot of people will oppose this point of view. Your house is not an investment. So maraming magsasabi, waste kasi ang mag-rent, might as well own a house. So ano ba ang dahilan ko bakit ko sinabing your house is not an investment? So example, bumili ka ng 500,000 na bahay, 5% interest, at medyo common ang 30 years na amortization ngayon. Total interest na mababayaran mo, 460K. So total payment mo sa 500,000 na bahay, 960K. At hindi dyan nagtatapos ang gastos. Kung nasan ako ngayon, ang property tax, sabihin na natin na 30 years, more or less 200,000 ang madadagdag dyan. Maintenance ng bahay mo and everything, sabihin na natin 100,000. So that adds like 300,000 doon sa interest na nabayaran mo na 460. So para magkaroon ka ng profit, assume natin na fully paid yung bahay at ibibenta mo siya, kailangan mo siyang ibenta ng more than 1.3M. Kasi kung less than that, lugi ka or baka break-even ka pa. I will say na ang return ng owning a house is more of emotional, not really on the money or financial side. And third one, unless breadwinner ka, kailangan mo i-check kung kaya mo ba talaga or kaya ng budget mo magpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas. We are under the impression kasi na since tayo yun nandito, we need to help our family, which is okay. But my point is, if you are struggling here financially, help yourself first. Because it would be better and easier for you to help if you are financially stable here. Yun lang. Peace.